Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine. Friends, my today's video consists of very beautiful wide variety of design ideas and how you can embroider your shoes, how you can embroider your sling bag, how you can embroider your everyday wear, simple, soft and easy, handmade, reliable fabric bag, booties, shoes, pumps, sneakers and different type of footwear as per your choices and interests. By making the embroidery patterns onto your footwear, the whole design, entire pattern would look amazingly beautiful and creative. And the one who are lover of hand embroidery and they are in search of very beautiful and creative DIY items, then friends, believe me, this video collection is absolutely for you. So by making these patterns, you can dress up as a unique and elegant person. You can also match up your dresses along with the hand embroidered shoe pairs. Simple and easy basic stitches like satin stitch, like French knot, like lazy daisy, like chain stitch, stem stitch and fly stitch have been used. All of these stitches are beginner friendly, and the thread you can use to make them is wool, anchor, GNC and any type of other sewing threads as well. So I hope that today's video is useful, creative and unique and you have enjoyed our today's video. So guys, if you really like, then don't forget to like, subscribe and leave comments below our video so that we could get to know what you want us to share with you in the new upcoming videos and what you feel about our content. And if you want to give us any type of suggestion, then do fill the comment section guys. So meet you in a new upcoming video. Up till then, take care of yourselves, stay blessed and stay happy.